What if the vast, star-swept canvas we call the cosmos is not a sanctuary of infinite possibility, but a ticking clock counting down to our annihilation? We gaze up at the night sky, believing in the majestic, silent order of the universe. We see the twinkling diamonds of stars and the serene, eternal glow of distant galaxies. This is the illusion. Beneath this celestial calm, a deeper, terrifying truth is hidden. The universe is a theater of unimaginable violence, and we are merely players awaiting the final, cataclysmic act. Today, we pierce that illusion. We descend into the chilling physics of cosmic terror, the catastrophic, unstoppable events that are not if, but when. Forget asteroids. Forget supernova you can comfortably watch from a distance. We are talking about the scariest space events, those that redefine the very meaning of dread, events that could wipe out not just a planet, but the entire fabric of reality we inhabit. Prepare to confront the void. Our first terror is a phantom with a billion-year reach, the gamma-ray burst, or GRB. This is not a slow burn. It is the ultimate cosmic flash fry. Imagine a colossal star, a hypernova, collapsing into a black hole. As its core vanishes, it doesn't just flicker out. It fires two narrow, relativistic jets of energy from its poles, moving at 99.99%, the speed of light. If one of these terrifying, focused beams, a laser of pure, high-energy radiation, were to sweep across our path, even from thousands of light-years away, the damage would be immediate and irreversible. It's a silent, instantaneous apocalypse. The burst would strike Earth's atmosphere, instantly vaporizing the ozone layer. The resulting cascade of lethal ultraviolet radiation would sterilize the surface, plunging the planet into a devastating extinction event. Every exposed creature would be bathed in a torrent of cosmic radiation. It's a cosmic assassin that requires no proximity, only perfect aim, but that is merely a localized threat. The next terror we face is a fundamental sickness of the universe itself. Consider the rogue black hole, not the stable, central behemoths anchoring galaxies, but a solitary, invisible predator, a cosmic wanderer ejected from its home by gravitational chaos. These nomads hurtle through the interstellar void, unseen because they emit no light, yet possessing the crushing gravity of 10 suns. If such an object were to pass through our solar system, it wouldn't need to collide with Earth. Its gravitational wake would be enough. The orbits of Jupiter, Saturn, and Earth would be violently perturbed, throwing our planet into a disastrous, eccentric path, perhaps plunging us toward the fiery sun, or flinging us into the deep frozen reaches of the Oort cloud. This is the terror of unpredictable, inescapable doom. However, even a rogue black hole is a predictable enemy compared to the most profound and terrifying possibility: the Great Rip. We know the universe is expanding, driven by a mysterious, repulsive force called dark energy, image of tiny, glowing blue energy particles pushing space apart. Now imagine if this force is not constant, but accelerating. If dark energy continues to increase in intensity, it will eventually overcome all fundamental forces. First, galaxies would tear apart. Then, solar systems. Finally, the force would be so potent that it would tear apart the very atoms of your body. The universe will not go out with a bang, but with a silent, absolute, and terminal tear. Now we venture into the territory of theoretical physics, where the threats are existential and defy human comprehension. Vacuum decay. The universe, according to our current understanding of quantum mechanics, exists in a false vacuum. Our current state of reality, the laws of physics, the stability of matter, might be temporary, like a ball resting on a precarious ledge. If a tiny bubble of true vacuum were to spontaneously form anywhere in the cosmos, a quantum fluctuation, it would initiate a catastrophic chain reaction. This bubble represents a more stable, lower energy state for reality. Expanding at the speed of light, this bubble of true reality would rewrite the laws of physics instantaneously in its wake. Every atom, every force, every form of energy would change. There would be no warning, no escape. It wouldn't kill us. It would simply replace our reality with a fundamentally different one, leaving no trace of the complex life and stable matter we know. And what is the ultimate, inevitable fate if none of these cataclysms strike first? The answer is a slow, cold whisper: heat death. In trillions of years, all the stars will have burned out. Black holes will have evaporated via Hawking radiation. The universe will become an infinitely large, incredibly cold, dark expanse, filled only with a diffuse, thin soup of fundamental particles separated by unimaginable distances. No energy, no light, no motion, just a state of perfect frigid equilibrium, the final terrifying quietus of existence. We stand today at the precipice of a silent, churning chaos. From the instant, lethal strike of a gamma-ray burst to the mind-bending oblivion of vacuum decay, these terrors serve a profound purpose. They strip away our petty concerns and confront us with the true, humbling scale of the cosmos. The clock is ticking on a cosmic scale, but for us the present is all we truly possess. These terrifying possibilities are not reasons for despair, but a sharp, urgent reminder. They underscore the profound miracle of our fleeting, fragile existence under the serene, silent order of the stars. If you've felt the chill of the void, if the terrifying majesty of these events has stirred your soul, then the universe has accomplished its mission. Now, look up. How does this knowledge change the way you see the stars tonight? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and subscribe to continue this journey into the deepest, darkest corners of the cosmos. The greatest mysteries always hide in the darkest places.